Welcome back. You're still with us on Startup Street. AI SaaS startup Attentive.ai has bagged $7 million in its Series A round, led by Vertex Ventures Southeast Asia and India. The round also saw participation from existing investors, Peak 15 Partners and InfoEdge Ventures. Now, the proceeds will be used to enhance product development, sales, marketing, and customer success initiatives, focusing on its recently launched products like Accelerate and Beam AI. To discuss the company's plans to bolster growth, we are joined by Shiva Dhawan, the co-founder and CEO of Attentive.ai. Shiva, thank you so much for taking your time out and being here on Startup Street. Now, as I just said, you're an AI-based sales automation platform, which is used by 500-odd companies globally, right? So, give us a sense of what's on offer and how are you bringing efficiencies in for your clients?
So the industries that we are building a global AI-based SaaS product for is the landscaping and the construction industries. And both these industries are have traditional workflows. And what we are trying to do is be the technology partner of choice and provide AI to automate their workflows across the sales workflow as well as the end-to-end workflow. So we have three products: Auto-Measure, Accelerate, and Beam. And all three of them solve a very specific problem of manual workflows in the landscaping and construction industry, and we automate that using AI.
All right. And you've just got $7 million. So how do you plan to use the funds to bolster growth? What's on top of the agenda for you?
So product development and GTM, go-to-market. As a CEO, these are the two most important things in any business. You need to get your product right. The customers need to love the product. And we have 500 companies right now that absolutely love the product. And go-to-market is how you scale the business, grow the business. So we are expanding our sales team across North America as we scale, Accelerate, and Beam to more customers.
Right. So Accelerate and Beam AI were your most recent launches, right? So with this fundraise, are you going to be doubling down on this, or can we see newer launches coming up in the near future?
Our plan is to double down on these two products. These two products are serving, Accelerate is serving a $200 billion outdoor services industry, and Beam is serving a $3 trillion construction industry. So both these products have a very big addressable market to serve, and our goal is to just keep our heads down and execute and grow as much as possible on these products.
All right, and let's talk about the growth numbers then. Where are your revenues at currently, and where do you hope to close this year? What's profitability looking like?
Our goal is to get to $10 million of ARR this year. We believe we'll hit profitability next year. We are on track to hit that as long as we hit our growth goals. And given the recent funding, we are fairly confident that we'll get there.
So fairly confident of hitting profitability next year. And as you said, most of your clients are in the US, right? And that's where most of your revenue is also currently coming from. So what's the expansion plan? Any new geographies on the anvil? And how is India placed in this for you?
So our current focus is North America, US, and Canada. We have Australia and UK on the horizon. India, unfortunately, even though our entire team is in India and we are building a global product based out of India, but just in terms of the industries that we are targeting, landscaping and construction, even though construction is a big market in India, but we still, 2-3 years till we go to India as a market.
All right. So currently looking at those markets, Australia on the anvil for you. And you also have an impressive list of clientele that you work with in the US, like Brightview, Juniper, etc. So what's next? How do you plan to grow your presence even further?
So we have 500 customers right now. And our goal is to get to 1,000 customers by the end of the year and 3,000 customers by the end of next year. And there is a huge market only in North America alone for us to reach that number.
All right, Shiva, thank you so much for joining us on the show. We're completely out of time, but we wish you all the best on this growth journey that you're taking.
Thank you.
Okay.